Okay, well, there are supposed to be markings on here, but I will explain how it works. We are going to be putting these together, and the first thing is to fold across these midlines. All right. Number 2 is to tape half of the page. Up to the midline. Number 3, tape. Number 3 is to fold along, turn it this way. This will be the brim, is to fold along the long diagonal from the corner. Sorry. This confuses me every time. Here we go. Fold along this long diagonal from here to here. And similarly, from here to here. From the corner, this corner all the way over here to here. Okay. So that was 1, 2, 3. Now we fold it down like this, so that this line parallels this line. Again, coming to the corner, we fold down so that this line parallels this line. Good. And then we fold this back up again. And then it's convenient to just tape it so that it stops moving. Put some tape here. Some tape here. Now, just so you know, I told you that was going to be the brim. So here, you can imagine my eyeballs are looking out this way, which means we're going to be hanging the Saran wrap around this outer rim. To do that, I would actually recommend, and I'm not going to demonstrate it right now, 2-sided tape on this edge, and on this edge, and then you take a bunch of Saran. You press down this edge, which is your front visor. Saran's out here. Then you hold up the Saran and you secure this edge to here and this edge to here. And then you wrap this around the back of your head. You join this together and it becomes a brim. This is the back of your head. The Saran wrap is hanging down in front. And you're golden. So this glues together. This goes on your head. like this.